This video will show you how to use a library search tool to find physical and online resources available at our UW Bristol libraries. The library search is located on the homepage of the library website. The library search allows you to search the library's full collection, including physical resources such as books, DVDs, and other materials, as well as digital resources such as ebooks, e-journals, audiovisual content, and online databases. If you want to search for a specific resource, such as this book, The Study Skills Handbook by Stella Cottrell, you can enter some keywords from the book title and author surname into the search bar. After pressing the search button, you will see that the book you wanted can be found easily. You can also filter content via a range of filters accessed on the left-hand side. Once you have found the resource that you are looking for, you will be able to see where you can find it underneath the resource. For example, if the resource is physical, Library Search will show you exactly where you can find it here. In this case, there is a copy at Franchise Library. Or if the resource is available online, then you will be able to click Available Online to access the resource. For online access, you might be prompted to log in here using your UW username and password. If you wanted to search for all resources around a specific topic, you can enter a keyword and click Search. Let's search leadership now. This will pull up any resources with this in the title. Again, you can use the filters to narrow down your search. We hope you found this useful.